Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fade in video in Capcut. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Capcut. Click on that and you need to download Capcut application and click on open. Then you need to click on new project and select a video clip from your smartphone. Once you add it, you simply need to select the clip. Here you need to click on animation, select in and click on fade in, and you need to select the duration of the effect. Click on the tick mark and now you can see that fade in effect is added. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.